Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make mint biryani. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need a generous bunch of fresh mint and cilantro, along with a few green chilies to create a vibrant, aromatic paste. Don't forget to soak 2 cups of good quality basmati rice for at least 30 minutes. This ensures perfect, fluffy grains. Finally, have your protein ready, whether it's 500 grams of tender chicken or your favorite mixed vegetables. This preparation sets the stage for an incredibly flavorful dish. Now let's create the heart of our biryani, the mint paste. Blend fresh mint, cilantro, green chilies, ginger, and garlic into a smooth, fragrant mixture. Next, in a large pot, sauté thinly sliced onions until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Add your whole spices, like bay leaves and cardamom, then stir in the vibrant mint paste. Finally, incorporate your protein along with some creamy yogurt and a blend of powdered spices, cooking it until it's about 75% done. With our flavorful base ready, it's time for the layering. First, partially cook your soaked basmati rice until it's about 70% done. It should still have a slight bite. Carefully layer this aromatic rice over the mint-infused protein base in your pot. You can add a drizzle of ghee or saffron milk between layers for extra richness. Now, seal the pot tightly, perhaps with dough or foil, and cook it on a very low heat for 20 minutes. This dumb cooking method allows the flavors to meld beautifully. After the dumb cooking, let your biryani rest for about 10 minutes before opening the pot. Then, gently fluff the fragrant rice and protein mixture with a fork, ensuring all the incredible flavors are evenly distributed. Garnish your masterpiece with crispy fried onions, a sprinkle of fresh mint leaves, and a bright squeeze of lime juice. Serve this delicious mint biryani hot with raita or a simple salad. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic water bottle and other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.